Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. Isn't it bright and happy? It's this gorgeous Dahlia birthday card and as you can tell, I absolutely love it. Now the stamp set we're going to use, the main stamp set we're going to use is this one called Delicate Dahlias, and this is a celebration set. So this is one you can earn during celebration. So during celebration, for every £45 or £90 you spend, you can earn a free item. So do hop onto my website and check out all the details about celebration and how you can get this set for free. So we're going to do some stamping and we're going to use this gorgeous pink Magenta Madness, which doesn't want to open on me, but we will get there. And I've got it on my block here, and as you can see, it's well loved. And we're just going to stamp freehand everywhere. Down, hold for a few seconds, and up, like that. Gorgeous, gorgeous stamp. Even when this retires, I can tell you now, this will stay in my stash. I absolutely love dahlias. They're so bright and bold, and they're not shy about it. They are beautiful flowers. I love going to the local nursery and seeing all the dahlias there. They are so pretty. And you can grow them yourself at home really easily. It's not difficult. I was watching Gardener's World recently, and this man had a dahlia farm, and he was saying how most of the dahlias actually he grows, they don't grow from bulbs. Normally when you can buy dahlia bulbs, but they don't grow them that way because they don't come out as vibrant. If you grow them from cuttings, they come out really vibrant. I, to be honest, couldn't see a huge difference, but he sells them for weddings and such like, so they have to be absolutely amazing. So there you go, there are our dahlias. So let's give this stamp a good clean up using our simple chamois before we go any further, otherwise I'm liable to put something down and stick it straight into this very inky stamp. So let's set that aside and out of the way. And then I have here just a very small piece of basic white, and I'm going to need my block back actually. Well, let me see, let me get out, this is so small, let me get out a smaller block. I think it's going to be best. You don't want to use too big a block for what you're doing, otherwise you can struggle. So let's get out a smaller block. This is the smallest one I have up here. Just trying to get it as straight as I can, and then I'm going to use the same Magenta Madness ink and just stamp down just like that. Okay, now we can close up our ink pad and give this a little clean too. Simple chamois, as you can see, is well loved and well used, but it's still going strong. And I should have said that sentiment came from this set, the Art Gallery. It's got some lovely sentiments, and I really like the font in this one. So I'll put that block away and close that up. Sorry about the noise. And now we're just going to cut the sentiment out freehand using my trimmer. No measurements or anything complicated like that, just really simply eyeballing it, what I think looks good or what doesn't. And now I've got a small piece, so now it's going to be a bit difficult to hold it in position, so all I'm going to use is a scrap of post-it note tape, and I'm just going to line it up where I want to cut, like that, and that gives me a handle, and that should be fine. Come on, little piece. Okay, take away our trimmer and get rid of all these bits. Now I have here somewhere, here it is, some of this paper, and this is called the Bedazzling paper, and this is also a free item you can get during celebration. So I'm using up all my freebies. Why not? If you can get something for free, it's always a good thing. More crafty goodies for free. Never going to turn that down, am I? And now I'm just going to cut this out here. Freehand again. This has just fallen off. That's clever of me. I obviously didn't stick that down very well, did I? Okay. Let's put this back where it's meant to be. And this time let's give it a good press down. Okay. Leave that aside. And then we're just going to cut this out. Just like that. Okay, and now we're ready to start assembling. So let's bring back our card, our stamp piece rather. And I just put this on a piece of, this is a basic white, thick basic white card base, standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. Just like that. And then I'm just going to this time stick this one down, I think. Not, you could pop this up if you want. I'm just going to have that like that. And then I've got some here of these. These are the gilded gems. And I'm going to use this for my flower centres. So I'll put one there. One there, one up there, one there, and yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so they're the two cards, bright and happy. I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you wanted more information about this project, supply list, measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links, including the links to my Facebook group, where I host a monthly online card club, where we make projects just like this through a Facebook Live. So please do check that all out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye bye.